Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Sniawbhalang Dhar, announced today that the West Jaintia Hills Regional Committee would soon submit its border resolution report to the state government. Speaking to reporters, Dhar informed that he had recently chaired a meeting of the Regional Committee on the 19th of December 2024. He stated that during the meeting, officials were instructed to complete their tasks and submit the report to the committee, which would then forward it to the state government ahead of the upcoming discussions between the chief ministers of Meghalaya and Assam. According to Dhar, the work of all regional committees involved in the border resolution process is progressing as planned.
The swab in let's don't babha borok serta kadon kami yang memberkat batik naman lading ila keluarkan step in ke kule dan sutum pan mansusu na kata kada kumago man watch back and front properly in such a manner so that once we solve it we'll solve it once for all kata ada kada maybe a bite time ngisong tu kita ba tu mesti beli borok ni kuat kan depth ki kuai namar ba yo ni ros kulmar pitip ka de kurs vernier na ringi kuat ba ngin sahata tak lutik nang da kanu burkum le marika wala ka kham simpor kendero si makla bian kan bengi baru serta kan tarik ji kuat musar karta ya gani de habaro regional committee la exercise is still on kumulumata nakaleng jonga jankil region le mana kan Kakanda tu di sembang orang komiti ni, pilihlah instruksi profesor pindah ni, humok tidak benda. Kalau ada pun bisa berat macam komiti, nanti ada komiti ni bisa buat, bisa play secara level. Nanti between the two chief bisa dulu coordinate secara bentuk komiti. Anda kan ni lagi ni bodoh, yang berat itu lagi bodoh. Macam mau bagi kasih ni. But no, once I done 19 December just before Christmas, and now they are in the process of doing some work that which you want as state government. And maybe in the one or two models submit the report, again you will place in the state level. When they are from the state level and they are contacting the other counterpart.